The DJI wireless mics are some of the best mics that I've ever used on the market. In fact, I'm recording this video right now using exactly these, and here's a couple of features that I absolutely love about these and which is why I recommend them to most people. The coolest part is the carrying case, which basically holds 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, and it also pairs them all together the moment you open the case, which is just simple and nice. They also have 2 adapters, one is USB-C and one is Lightning, which makes them super convenient to connect to Androids or iOS phones. So if you're a mobile content creator, this is game changing. The receiver is basically touchscreen, giving you the ability to change all your settings on the fly, making it super convenient and really easy to do. And last but not the least, the audio quality that comes out of this is truly phenomenal, giving you the ability to connect to any camera as well as any mobile device on the market, taking your content creation process to the whole next level.